Okay, let's talk about BioSlife S. In some markets, it's called Slim, and in the U.S. market, it's called Balance. Another amazing product. Same foundation as C. But what we've done is we've modified this fiber matrix a little bit. We've beefed up the fiber matrix so that it's a little better now at absorbing glucose. We wanted one product that would be good for glucose control. One product that would be good for cholesterol control. They both, you know, BioSlife C helps with glucose control as well, right? There's a good overlap there. But we wanted to redesign this fiber matrix a little bit so that it would absorb glucose a little bit better, right? Because glucose likes to stay with fiber. So the thought was, if we could tweak this a little bit, could we have something that's optimized for glucose control but still retain the cholesterol capabilities? Okay? So that was the idea. Well, if we want to study glycemic control, we need to collaborate with someone. And here at Unicity, you remember, we collaborate with the best people in the world. And the best people in the world to study glycemic index research is at Sydney University. Their Glycemic Index Research Institute there is amazing. And so we collaborated with them. And what we did is we had them run their standard glucose curve, like you see here. That's the one in red, okay? And then we did a curve when you take, you know, you eat something rich in carbs, polysaccharides like white bread. So this yellow here is white bread, so you see it rises and it falls. And then we add either 1 or 2 doses of our S. And look what happens here. Look at this curve. With 1 dose, comes down. 2 doses, it comes down even a bit more. Proof that we are lowering, attenuating, modulating the amount of glucose that enters into the bloodstream. Now that is a big deal. That is a big deal. Who here has heard of the sugar glut today that's ravaging the health industry? We're eating too much sugar. We're eating too much sugar. And it's causing obesity. It's causing calcification of arteries. It's causing all sorts of problems. What if you could lower the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream? If you could do that, my friends, you could change metabolic health. Whole genome analysis, signal transduction cascades are different. Change for the good when you limit the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream. That's what this product does. That's what this product does. We followed it up with some clinical studies. We did some studies with a group called Diabetes in Control. And in this here, I'm sorry I don't have a table here for this one, but basically what we did is we took a group of people that had diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Their average HbA1c levels was 9.2. High. Ooh, really high. Okay? Had them use our BioSlife product. Had them use our BioSlife product for 90 days. HbA1c levels after 90 days dropped by 1.4%. We followed that up with another study with Diabetes in Control. And we wanted to look at glucose levels, but we also wanted to look at cholesterol levels. We wanted to get a global analysis here, blood work. Okay? So, type 2 diabetics, individuals with type 2 diabetes, see the data here. Preprandial, postprandial glucose, HbA1c, total cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL, HDL. At the beginning, 173 preprandial glucose. After 90 days, 156, a change of about 10%. Post, goes from 278 to 237. Change decreases by about 15%. Type 2 diabetics. HbA1c goes down. Total cholesterol, 215 to 184. Triglycerides, 299 to 257. Changes of both of these by about 14%. LDL, 129 to 92. HDL, 43 to 55. Huge changes here. Huge changes. Now, why am I showing you study after study after study? I'm showing you study after study because you're medical doctors. And to show you that this wasn't a one-time thing, that we ran a study and we just happened to get good results, and so we publish it and we're done. No. We are absolutely positive of our results. Why? Because we've ran these studies on every continent, and we see the same thing. You take this product according to the directions, and it works. It works. Another study here, done in Texas. Okay, 34 subjects with established type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol took this product 15 to 20 minutes before their meals. Okay, and we measured parameters at 4 and 8 weeks. So, total cholesterol for the high cholesterol group went from 245 to 195, changed by 21%. LDL 127 to 104 when we took everybody. The high risk group 197 to 141, a change of 29%. HDL, people with low HDL, went from 35 to 40, change, increased by 14% after 8 weeks. Okay? Glucose levels from 218 to 155. HbA1c, people with high HbA1c, 9.2 to 7.8 after 8 weeks. Miracles happen in biochemical physiology when you change HbA1c from 9.2 to 7.8. Miracles happen. The body starts functioning properly. Things are brought into balance. Good things, really good things start to happen. Really good things start to happen. And I don't need to tell you, but high cholesterol, high blood sugar, the obesity epidemic, cardiovascular disease running rampant throughout the world. No country is not affected by the obesity epidemic. What if you had a product that could help curb that? What if you had a product that was natural-based fibers, that was safe, that was clinically proven? Wouldn't that be nice? That would be nice. Huh. Imagine that. We have developed we have that product here at Unicity. We have that product. And I'm on a crusade going around the world telling people about this product. Because even people who've been with Unicity for a long time, I don't think we understand really how amazing these products are and what they do. The numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie. Clinically proven products. Revolutionary for metabolic health.